What's happening with Puff Daddy? That's the news of today. Yes, with all his freak off parties. Yeah, he's in jail. That's the news of the day. Welcome back with the puzzles, the regular puzzles. I've already solved two puzzles. So one puzzle is left, the Killer Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, October the 11th, 2024. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this one, the Killer Sudoku number 9420. And we have here two given numbers. Given number 3 in this triple box of 19. That means that those two boxes together should be 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. And there's only one combination for the box of 16. The 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here we have an given number 3 in this triple box of 14. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Okay. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku, in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which. Yeah, my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. Same for here. This one is not 1 because we have here and there. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. It will be difficult. It will be difficult. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is 45. This column has 1 sharing box. Same for here. The last column, 1 sharing box. What you need to know is also the total sum of a row is always 45. Okay, let me see the first column. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Well, 13 plus 11 is 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 plus 8 is 37. 29 plus 8. Yeah. Wait. 13, 24, 29. 29 plus 8 is 37. So 45 minus 37. 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. In the box of 17, combination will be 8 plus 9. Correct. How about the last column? If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 13 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, so this can be 9 and more. This box should be a 7, and that box should be a 9. Now, in this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. Triple 10 is 30. Plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In this triple box of 9, these two boxes together should be a 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see, 9, 8, 8, 12, 5, 11, 10, 12. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8, only one combination. Alright. Then, okay, in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be in the box of 11. Combination 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. The 2 here or there. Need a 9 here. 9, yeah. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, there are only 3 places left on the 9, should be here, here, or there. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Need 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the only place left for 8 should be there. In this triple box of 21, that means that those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. In this triple box of 21, yes. 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course, same story as before. Cannot place the 8 in the box of 5, of course, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Need a 4 there. Can it be 4, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 5? 3. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, here or there. I cannot place the 3 here in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this column. So I cannot place the 3 there and here, so the only place left for the 3 in this big square should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. Alright. Six. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 5. The 5 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 6 there, so the 6 will be in one of those two boxes. In the box of 13, combination 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. In the box of 11, combination will be 5 plus 6. So we have 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left of the 6 should be in the box of 10. Combination 6 in the 4, 6 in the 4. Then 4 in this column, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place left of the 4 should be here. In the box of 11, combination will be 4 plus 7. Then two numbers, no. One of the missing number in this column. Second column is the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7 here. I need a 7 in the second column. So the 7 should be in the box of 8, combination 7 and 1. 7 and 1. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. 2 and 3. So two numbers left in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and a 7. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. How about 6 and a 5? We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 will be here. 5 goes there. Need a 5 here or there. 5 and a 3. 5 and a 4. Two numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. In the box of 9, the combination will be 5 plus 4. One box left in the second row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. These two boxes together should be a 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Plus 4 is equal to 9. One box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2. This column has also one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 8 is 20. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. 9 and 8, we have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 2 here. So we have two boxes left in the middle column. The box of 11 and the box of 5. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9. The 9 is already used in the middle column. So 2 be in the box of 5, combination 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. In this triple box of 18, the combination will be 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 7 and 1, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 in this big square, so it can't be 6 anymore. This box will be a 5. One box left in the middle column for number 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, of course. Then the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed, so the 1 should be here and 8 goes there. In the box of 9, combination will be 1 plus 8. In the box of 12, combination will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. I cannot place the 7 in box of 7, of course. So the 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. In a box of 7, the combination will be 3 plus 4. In a box of 12, the combination here will be 7 plus 5. 4, 4, need a 4 here. Well, we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, or last column. The only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 4 here in the box of 9, then combination will be 4 plus 5. Well, the 5 is already used in the last column, so I cannot place the 4 there. The 4 should be in the box of 13. Combination 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13. So 1 should be here. So 1 digit left for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. In the box of 13, combination will be 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 9. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 11, so 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 3 is equal to 14. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 17 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. If I'm faster than 15 minutes, then I will give this a 1 star. But let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.